Got her going. As you can see, it's clean firing. Sounds pretty good. Just a little bit of video of us driving the tractor. Factor into our almost finished from electricity, or installation. Where it's about to go. And there's the tank. Yeah, there for 10 years, great. So did you run good for us today? Yeah, I think it did too. Alright, so. Alright, you don't have to. That's not original to a tractor. They actually didn't have an alternator, they had a generator. Original muffler. So. We don't have the cover for the top of it. We had one, but I broke it off. But we're planning on getting it restored, or restoring it ourselves. So it's a big project, so might be a couple years. But pretty basic gauges. Just you got the heat, oil, the generators, the ones right there. Key supposed to originally push there. The wooden lever steer. Yeah. And one of the main things I never knew about it until now is up in here. You guys can see it, that thing right there comes down, and it's for towing. It's like a trailer. But yeah, that's all for now, tubers. And comment, rate, and subscribe.